How you doing today? Today we're going to do a little tutorial on routering out the edges for a door hinge on a new door. The product that I just bought at Home Depot was this Ryobi door hinge installation kit. It comes with the router bit with a bearing on it and a template that clamps right onto the door, which is really an effective way. I really like this. It was, like I say, Home Depot. It was $24.95, and I would strongly suggest if you don't want to chisel and use a butt plate to cut it out, then this is the simplest way that you can try. Like I say, it comes with a bit, screwdriver bit, clamps right on, doesn't damage the door. So let's see how it works. This is a door that we'll be working on today. You can see I've already went ahead and cut the hole for the doorknob and latch assembly. I'll show you another tool by Ryobi that will cut out your latch without having to chisel. But for now, I'll just show you what we've done here. You can see here the clamp is already positioned on the door. I've got it right here. Here you've got your different slides. You can slide this here to a 3, 3.5, 4 inch, 4.5, or 5 inch hinge. Also, it's got this adjustment here where you can set your bit in your router, and you set it for a thin hinge or adjust it for a thick hinge. And like I say, this clamps right onto the door real well. And this one here, I'll show you, we've already cut this out already last night, and you can see how well it did. It will got a pop out here that you can use for making square cuts, or you can just leave it in, or I mean rounded cuts, 5/8 rounded, or you can just leave it square, and your bit will automatically put the quarter round curve on the door. And that is after we've cut it out. So I'll show you here. The hinge fits in just right. Perfect fit. So we'll do the other one and show you how it works. Okay, the router's already set up. Like I say, we're using a 3.5 inches hinge that's got the quarter rounds on the end. So we'll show you how we set it up here. We got the edge of the door. We already got it set at a 3.5 inch hinge here, and see, make sure we get it on the right side here. You set it up, and I've already marked the lines right here and right here where they matched up with the other door. So just adjust them, the hinge or the template where you want it. Tighten it down. Like I said, it doesn't leave any marks on the door. It's all plastic, but the clamp has some rubber pads on it so it doesn't damage the door, and it doesn't vibrate, so you're not going to move while you're routering. So let's begin. Now, as always, I would say safety first. So use your goggles, face shield, whatever. Protect your eyes. You only have one pair of them in your lifetime. So you'll hear a lot of noise because it's really windy today. I'll go ahead and start this, and you can see how it works. like I showed you, there's a bearing right here on the router bit, so it just glides along this plastic and doesn't eat up your template. This is the other thing I like about it. And there you got your hinge routered right out. Very nice. And take it off. And there's your nice hinge. Thanks a lot for watching. Maybe we'll do the other one here in a bit. It's getting kind of windy.